Can you solve this fractional quadratic equation that we have on the board? Here we are asked to solve for the value of x in 4 multiplied by 1 over x squared minus 24 multiplied by 1 over x plus 35 equals to 0. Okay? How will you approach this question if you encounter it in exam? Just pay attention. I'm going to show you a more excellent way to do that. Do you know that we can say let 1 over x equals to a? Do you understand? So anywhere I see 1 over x in this equation, I'm going to replace it as a. Okay, so that means the equation becomes 4 multiplied by, instead of 1 over x, I'm going to have 4 multiplied by a squared minus 24 multiplied by a plus 35 equals to 0. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a quadratic equation, right? Yes, because I'm going to have 4a squared minus 24a plus 35 equals to 0. Okay, we can solve this quadratic equation using factorization method. Okay, to factorize, I'm going to have 4a squared minus 10a, are you getting it, minus 14a plus 35 equals to 0. So for this, we are going to have 2a multiplied by 2a minus 5. Are you following? Okay. Minus 7 multiplied by 2a minus 5. This will be equals to 0. Okay. So 2a minus 7 equals to 0. Or 2a minus 5 equals to 0. By the way, if you don't know how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method, you can check the comment section. There is a link there. Kindly click on that link to watch a comprehensive class on how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method. Okay, so let us proceed. Here I'm going to have 2a equals to 7 or 2a equals to 5. To get the value of a equals to 7 over 2, or now divided by 2 here, I'm going to have 5 over 2. Do you understand? So these are the values of a that we have. Do not forget that our goal is to find the value of x. Are you getting it? But when we start the solution, we say let 1 over x equals to a. So when a is equals to 7 over 2, 1 over x will be equals to 7 over 2. Are you getting it? Because from this, we say let 1 over x equals to a. So I'm going to have x times 7, that is 7x, equals to 2. X is equals to 2 over 7, the first solution. Now, when a equals to 5 over 2, 1 over x will be equals to 5 over 2. Cross multiply, I'm going to have 5x equals to 2. Divide by 5 to get the value of x. X is equals to 2 over 5. So our solution, the value of x, we have 2 over 7 or 2 over 5. If you want to check, maybe your solution is correct, all you have to do is just substitute the value of x as 2 over 7 here. Also, substitute the value of x as 2 over 5. You are going to have 0. Okay, so that is how to approach the question if you encounter it in exam. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button. Also follow the channel, share the video, and also drop your review in the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.